Hi everyone! When you want to use a wireless camera and microphone on your computer, how do you solve it simply with the possibilities at hand? Today I will show you how to solve this in a simple way. First, your computer must be connected to a wireless network. It is enough to have one Android phone. Install womic and droidcam apps on your Android device. Install the same applications on your computer as well. These applications provide wireless audio and video transmission to your computer. We will provide audio transfer with womic application and image transfer with droidcam. We run droidcam and womic applications on phones and computers. We enter the IP address we see on the phone screen into the droidcam and womic applications running on the computer and start the connection. The droidcam app also has an audio transfer option, but this didn't work, so I used the womic app. I am testing the droidcam application and now the image transfer to the computer has been successfully completed. I set the sound device as womic by entering the sound settings of the OBS Studio program that I use for screen recording. I add the video capture device option from the source add section to transfer the phone camera image to the OBS program. I choose the droidcam source 3 option from the box that appears. I adjust size and position of camera view from OBS Studio window. As you can see, it's that simple to transfer your phone's camera image to a computer wirelessly. Your computer and Android phone must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now let's look at how to transfer audio through the womic application. We click on the Connect option from the Connection section, and while the Wi-Fi option is selected in the window that appears, we enter the IP information on the phone screen into the womic application running on the computer. Now let's examine how the womic and droidcam applications look on the phone. You can see the IP and port information on this screen. They transfer audio and video over the IP and port you see when you run the applications. That is all. Thank you for patiently watching the video. You can turn on notifications by subscribing to the channel to be informed about the next videos.